Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to change language on Youku. So first of all, launch open Youku application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Youku application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So if you want to change the language, it is actually very simple. For that, tap on the Me icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Over here at second, you'll be able to find this option for settings. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface of Youku. You'll be able to find various options like account security, allow download without Wi-Fi, select download folder, etc. Under the section for others, at second, you'll be able to find this option for language. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see various languages. Right now, English is selected for me. So what you have to do is simply tap on the language that you would like to change to. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. After switching, the application will be restarted automatically. So simply tap on this option, confirm that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now you can see over here the application will be restarted. Now the language of the Youku application has been changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the language. So that is how you change language on Youku. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.